Okay, welcome back. So we did the copying of the WordPress. There's a WordPress. We're doing that, and I told you the video is going to be long. So there's a WordPress. You copy it and you paste it here from your 80 docs. So when you come to this PC, you go to local disk, double click on it. Then you come to XAMPP, you double click on the XAMPP. So when you double click on the XAMPP, you come to 80 docs, this one, then you double click on it, then you paste the WordPress here. This is the WordPress I've copied. You paste this one here. So when you paste it, the XAMPP control panel that will start. If you can't find it here, then you just search for control panel. This control panel, this one. Don't click on any of this one, the one with the XAMPP icon here. This is the icon, the logo here. So you click on this one. When you click on this one will come, and when this one come, it will be like this. This is how it's going to be. It will come like this. Let me just close it and do everything, and you see control panel. This is it has come here. This one control panel, then you start it. It's starting. You can see it here. It's starting. So just a minute. Okay, it will come like this. It will be at the corner. You can shift it to any place. Then when it pop up like this, you start it. This Apache, you just click on start to start the Apache. It's once it turns to green, it's running fine. Then you also click on the MySQL. This MySQL, you start it here. When you also start, that one is green, the background is green, meaning it's working fine. So now you just allow it. If this message pop up, allow it so that it will run successfully for us. So once you allow it, then this MySQL, click on it, the admin panel, to go to the database. You click on it, it will open like this for you. When it opens like this is where our database is going to base. All database we are creating, they will be appearing here. Then all the database, they will be appearing here. You can see team tech is also here. They will be appearing here. Then this is the database icon. When you click on it, to appear here. Then username, user accounts, all the users you are going to create. Once you click on this one, all the users will be appearing here. Currently, this is the user we have. The username is root. The host name is local host. That's why you can see the local host is appearing there like that. Then the export and import. Export is when you want to download the database, you want to export the database to different server, you use the export. The import is when you want to import a database into this server, currently. You use the import to do that. So I'll be talking to you details about the settings and other things. So for now, let's focus on how to create our database. And this is the database server, this is the version, this is the local host that we are using. This is the Apache, this is the server of the Apache, and it's using Windows 64 bis. Then the OpenSSL is this, and the version of PHP, this is the version of PHP. You can see it here. Currently, I have one course already on how to install WordPress. When you come to my website and click on learn, let me just see what it will come and you see. But currently the WordPress version has changed. There's nothing wrong with that, but I just want to show you. So when you come here, this is how to install WordPress locally 2023. Yeah, this is it. But this one, the version is different from what we are currently doing. This 8 point something. What I did was 6 point something. So this is the version. It's very, very important. When you are versioning the server, the PHP version and the XAMPP is not matching, sometimes it's very difficult for you. I hope you understand it. So right now we need to create a database for our website. What we do, you come to your left side, then you click on the new here to create a new database. So when we click on new, a database drop down will come like this. Then this database name, you type the name here, database name, you type the name here. So any name at all that you want, you type it and remember it so that you will be able to use it to do our WordPress installation successfully. So I hope you understand. So I'm going to type the database name here of what I want it to be. So I'll just type it. I'll use my name. I'll just type it Luis. This is my database name. That's what I want. Leave this one the way it is and click on create. Click on create database. You see the message successful being created, and it will come here. When you search, when you just look at it here, you can see this Luis. This is the database name. You see I've used capital letters, but the way they program it to be small letters, so you have to take note of that. This one. So this is the database name for that. So right now we are finished with the database creation. So we'll come back to our control. We are finished with, that's the control panel. I have finished creating the database. Just open a new tab here on your browser. I don't know whatever browser that you are using. Just open a new tab. Okay. So when you open the tab, you type localhost, localhost / WordPress. You add the WordPress / then we want to enter the admin panel. Then you type wp admin the WP stand for WordPress admin. You are admin, you want to take control, then you press enter. Or this one, do not, this one, okay, it has come. So you only type localhost WordPress WP admin, then it will load this one for us. So this is the welcome page of the WordPress. It will come here. These are the languages. It depends on the languages. As earlier I told you, there are so many languages that you can use, and after that there will be a translator, Google a translator that will be able to read the website depending on the language of the country to the users to understand. So currently looking at the group, we are all Ghanaian, so we are going to go by the English so that it will be standard for all of us to understand. So automatically it's on English, so leave it that way. The Windows is able to detect, when you are installing Windows, you select the language, so it is able to detect that we are already English speaking country. So then you click on continue. The welcome page will come like this: welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, this, so what we need is the database name, then the database username, then the database password, then the database host. So you click on let's go. You click on let's go. So click on this one, let's go. So it will come like this. So the database name that you type here, the one you type here, I don't know, this is my database name, Luis. So if I click on it, if you are finding it difficult and you click on it, make sure you click on it. Then this is it. This is the database name. If you are finding it difficult to get it, just highlight it and copy. Then you come back to the installation, the database name, then you paste it there. I've already pasted that one there. Then username, the database username. So that one is root. Don't forget to type it, root. Root is the database name, ROOT. I don't know, sometimes I find it difficult to pronounce some of the words, so sorry for that. So ROOT. Then the password is empty. You don't have any password. So I will show you. When you come here, you come to user, let me see, we created one. see, you just click on the logo and to come this user accounts. On this what we are doing, this place, this is the root, this is the username root, this is the host name, local host, then the password, there's no password. You see how it is, no password. So that's how we are going to leave this one, no password. Then local host, see database host, that's local host. So when you come here, you see local host name, local host. So before you will be able to run the WordPress, you have to connect to the database so that all what you are doing, the server will be able to monitor changes and update the website for you. So now your database name, you type it here. The root username is root, ROOT. Then password, we don't have password. Then database host is local host. Then you click on submit. And see, when you click on submit, alright, Sparky, you have made it through this part of the installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database. If you are ready, time now to go. So run installation, just click on the run installation so that we'll be able to install the WordPress. So when you run it, to come here, welcome to WordPress. So welcome to, this is the welcome page for you. Then the site type, please, you can type anything. We will be able to change it later. Your site title doesn't matter much, so later on you'll be able to change a lot of things. So site type, I'll just do team tech solutions, team tech solutions. You can type anything. The name is very, very important. That's the name we are going to use and log in. Please make sure you type the name that you can remember. So the default one everybody knows is admin. So I'm going to type admin. You can even write them down. So you can even, if you want, you can write them down, or you can open a notepad. You can open notepad and just type it. You copy this one. And you come here, you paste it here and leave it that way. Then we'll come back again. This is the password. This is a strong password. Once it turns to green like this, is a strong password, but I can't remember all this. I'll just remove it and type admin. It's the same thing, admin here. They are telling me very weak. Yes, I know it's very weak, but because I'm working on local machine, nobody will be able to get to hack or do anything to my website. It's a local base. So if you now want to push it online, you can change the password later. But for now, the username admin, password admin is okay for me. Then confirm password, you click on it to be able to confirm the password. Then the Gmail, you can put anything there for now if you want. So the Gmail, but if you have a working Gmail, you can add it. So I just click automatically. I have my Gmail already, so it's added. So then search engine optimization, search engine visibility, this one, discourage search engines from indexing this site. It is up to search engine to honor this request. So please don't take it, just leave it. If you take it, then your website is not going to run well on search engine optimization on the Google search. It's going to be difficult for you. So I'll be showing you how to rank your website on Google too once we finish developing one of our 2, 3 of this program that we are doing. We're developing 1, 2, 3 website. So I'll show you how to rank it, but right now leave this one. If you tick on it, it's going to discourage them from running. So now after filling it, or the title of the site title, the username, user password, then you tick password, confirm password, your Gmail. Then lastly you click on install WordPress. So when you click on install WordPress, it will install for you. So let's wait. You can see it's rolling, it's installing. Let's wait and see. So let's wait and to finish the installation for us. So I hope you guys should understand. So I have one thing about this, because we are running it on local, just save the password for you to be able to remember last anytime you want to log in. So after saving the password, it says success, WordPress has been installed, thank you and enjoy. Username admin, password your choosing password. So this, they have icon here for us to log in. So we now log in into it. We just click on login. Now because I've clicked on save, it has just appeared here. I don't need to come here and again and copy. See, I even forgot the password to add it here. So it's just here for me. If you want, you can even add a remind me later on. Then you click on login. You are welcome to WordPress. Welcome to WordPress. So this is it. We have installed the WordPress. So now this is the admin panel. You are all welcome. So if you are able to reach at this stage, congratulations for you on starting WordPress successfully, installing WordPress, installing the XAMPP, starting the Apache, then Apache and MySQL successful, creating your database successfully to reach this point. So right now this is our database. Let me show you something. First it was empty. So right now if you click on it, a lot of, you see, these are all database that are being created automatically by WordPress. You can see them here. So just relax. I will show you all the in and outs of this. So when you come to user, this is the user. When you click on users, I want to just show you something. You can see this is the admin we created. This is our password. It has been, this is the password. It has been what? Hash into this one. They say hash. It has been turned to binary number, like hash means it has been added symbols, numbers, letters together in such a way that you won't be able to read in the, for a common like a human being to understand. The machine will be able to convert them so that, but when you want to enter the password, you enter the normal password, but the machine will not hash it again, so that it will be able to compare the two. For hacking, some people hacking websites and all of that. That's why it has turned into jailbreaks this way for you to understand. Then the user nickname automatically added this. Then this is the Gmail we use. This is the Gmail we use. Then this is the URL of our website. This is the URL, and the registered date is today. You can see it here. I'm recording this one on the 9th of June. I know tomorrow the training is starting. That's 10th. This 9th today, this evening that I'm doing the recording, so that I'll do it in advance, so that if anything even happen, the training will be able to go well successfully. So you are welcome. Just go through the process. If there's anything you want me to do, let me know. I'm available to help you. I'm available so that we'll grow together. So for now, I'll stop here, and you do the installation. If you are all get to this place, just screenshot it and send it on the group, and we'll know that you have been able to succeed. So if you are able to succeed, let's know. And so this one, the user that is logged in currently is admin. You can see it here, admin. So I will show you how to set and put your image here and do a lot. So I'll stop here for now. So congratulations if you are able to reach this point. Just screenshot it. You can just screenshot the whole screen for us with your Windows key plus print key, or you just click here. If you are using Windows, you click on this one, this additional feature I'm going to show. Just you can see screen snap. Just click on that one. Then when you are done, just the way it is, you can leave it that way. Just do it like this and drag it like this. It's a picture. You are going to give us a picture, and then you just click on it, and then you save it. This is a save. You just click on save as, and you save it inside any part of your place you want to save it. Then you close it. Then you go and send it as a normal message to us on the group, so that we know that you have finished the installation successfully. So thank you so much. See you next time.